Okay, this is trade 3 in the trading challenge, the March to Success at Informative Traders. We're going to look at the outcome of trade 3. It was a short on the US-Canadian 4-hour chart. Let's get into it. You can see over the last few weeks this pair was rising pretty steadily and now we're starting to turn over. Once we took out this area here, we were starting to look for shorts. The trend had changed. Now, the signal bar for the short was here. We had a couple of inside bars, and then we actually saw a move up, reject, and then fell lower. Now, once these lows were taken out, we got short. The stop loss was above the signal bar, and the 2.5 times the risk for our profit took us somewhere down here at the 101.65 level. Which actually coincided with some lows over to the left here of support. Now, over the weekend, there was some big announcements about Cyprus being bailed out. It's further added to the Eurozone uncertainty. And of course, today, the US gaps up, taking us out. We're stopped out. We've lost the trade. There's not much we can do when you've got news announcements like that, and the market's pretty sensitive to those type. Anything to do with bailouts in the Eurozone, you're going to see reaction. So we've been stopped out. On Friday, we were actually down at these levels here. We were actually very close to being 2 times our risk in profit. Now, normally, if I was at that stage, I'd have my stop at break even, and I'd be managing the trade. So then, if price was to reverse back on us, we'd be getting out without any losses. We can't do that because we've got our rules, our strict rules for the challenge, and we're going to try and make money. It's a challenge designed for those that can't watch the market all the time, and we're seeing if we can make money with a set of rules, and we've got to follow them. So we've lost it. You can see where price did start reversing was obviously down at these highs over here. That was resistance, is now support. It's turned on that. Oops. It's turned on that, and with this gap up, we've been stopped out. Now, I think this will move lower still. I think this news was an opportunity for the price to be marked up, and I think the professionals are selling back into it. You can see that level up there is now starting to be rejected. We've got that gap to close. I think price still will turn over and probably reach our take profit target. Unfortunately, we have been stopped out. So we've lost it. It does get frustrating. We've lost a few trades. This is normally, if you look at the psychology of things, newer traders, this is the point where if you let it get to you with a few losses, you're going to start to make emotional decisions. You're going to emotionally trade, and that's not good. So you've got to stick to your rules. We've got to keep going and obviously win some more trades. The way we've got the challenge set up, we only have to win a small amount of trades to actually break even. And if we get any more than that, we'll make money. The next challenge may look at discretionary trading and management. We might be able to manage the trades. But let's stick to the challenge. Let's see how we go, and we'll bring on the fourth trade. Cheers, guys.